Hey guys, I'm KAKO and today we're going to animate this active animation all in After Effects. Let's do it. First, download the project file from the description. In the project file, we have some text, objects, background and music, but I import them from the Illustrator. Alright, I'll start by animating the main text. Open the layer, from animate, add position and rotation. Then from add selector, add weekly. Set position on 20 and rotation on 10. Then open weekly selector, change wiggle second on 3.5 and correlation on 0. At the end, open more options, set grouping alignment on -26. See? It's fine, so fine. Now repeat it for the call. Next one. From Effects and Preset, add Wave Bar. Set wave height on 5, wave width on 126. Okay. Now I want to wiggle the objects. There are two ways to add wiggle. Number 1. Search the wiggle word in Effects and Preset. There's some types of wiggles: deletion, scale, and shear that deforms the objects, position that moves around the anchor point, and rotation that revolves around the anchor point. I'll choose a position for now. From Effect Control, set wiggle speed to 3 and wiggle amount on 8. Copy the effect, select another big object with Shift, then press Ctrl V to paste. Nice! For smaller objects, I proceed with method number 2. Select one, open layer, transform. I like to try rotation this time, so press Alt, click on Watch Rotation, delete the text and type wiggle. Open bracket 4, 60. The first value is speed and the second value is amount. See? Good. Now you can copy the expression code and paste to the scale, position, and opacity like this. Okay? But now I just want the wiggle rotation. So press Ctrl Z and paste the expression code to the rotation objects. I'll change the anchor point of the spray paint to change the object rotation axis. See? It's better now. Finally, make a new adjustment layer. Right-click, New Adjustment. Then add Posterize Time Effect. And change frame rate half of the comp frame rate. That make it look a little bit more hand animated and faster. And it's the result. Congratulations! Interesting tutorials are waiting for you. So be sure to subscribe me if you like more of this. Good luck guys!